Let's learn was and were. In this video, you're going to understand where to use was and where to use were in the given sentence. Was is used with singular, noun or pronoun, and were is used with plural, noun, pronoun. Now let's see this. Was. It's used with pronouns or singular nouns. Number one is he. It's a pronoun. He was going to the market. She. She was eating chocolate. It. It was a rainy day. I. I was reading a book. So children, we used was with he, she, it, I. Okay, now let's see how we are going to use was with the names also. That is noun. Rahul was doing his homework. Here we are talking about singular. We are talking about one person. And that is Rahul. Rahul is a name. Next one is the dog was barking. We are talking about one dog. This is singular, one dog. Sam was late for the party yesterday. Sam, we are talking about one person. Okay, children? Now let's see where we are going to use were. It's used with pronoun or noun plural. Number one, you. You were absent yesterday. We use were with you. Okay, children? Always make sure with you we'll use were. It's not was. Next is we. We are talking about plural. It's not singular. We were going to Delhi. It can be two people or it can be more than two people. So we are talking about plural. They, again plural. They were playing cricket. We are talking about many people over there. Were is used with noun plural. Let's see. The dogs were barking. In this example, we are talking about many dogs. Okay, children? It's plural. Children were playing in the park. You're talking about many children. Okay? The students were making noise in the class. Again, it's plural. Children, there are some exceptional cases in which you can get confused where to use was and were if in the sentence there's a word there. Let's see this with example. The first sentence is, there was a king. And in the second sentence is, there were many students in the class. Your doubt is like, how we will come to know when we are supposed to use was and when we are supposed to use were, if the sentence is starting with there. Children, in the first example, there was a king. Here we were talking about singular. If with the there, we are talking about singular. That is a king. Okay? A baby. A boy. Whatever it is. If we are talking about singular, then we will use was. In the second example, there were many students in the class. Though the sentence is starting with there, but at the same time we are talking about plural. So we are going to use were. Now, It's time to test your knowledge. Kindly pause the video and test your understanding of the topic. You can pause the video for a while and solve these questions. Now let's see the answers. Number 1 is Ram was eating his breakfast. Number 2, you were sleeping. Number 3, they were going to the temple. Number 4, it was a sunny day. Number 5, the students were writing notes. Number 6, I was not well yesterday. Number 7, he was driving a car. Number 8, we were watering the plants. Number 9, there was a thirsty crow. Number 10, there were many people on the road. So children, let's remember, whenever we are going to use was or were in the sentence, always remember we are talking about the past tense. It means something which has already happened. Okay, we are talking about the past tense. And was is used with singular, noun or pronoun. And were is used with plural, noun, pronoun. Make sure whenever in the sentence there is given, you need to find out, are we talking about singular or we're talking about plural. If it's singular, then we will use was with there, and we will use were with there if we're talking about the plural. As you can see in point number 9 and point number 10. I hope this concept is clear to you. Thank you so much for learning with us.